Welcome back students, I am Srinivasan here. We are going to learn trigonometric formulas which will help you to do your 11th standard. Children, maths is a rhyming language. When you are able to categorize the formulas, it will be easier for you to remember the formulas. Let us see how to remember these sort of formulas. Sin 2 theta has only one formula, 2 sin theta cos theta, whereas cos 2 theta has three formulas, 2 cos square theta minus 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Then third one is cos square theta minus sin square theta. Again I repeat, sin 2 theta we have only one formula in terms of sin and cos, 2 sin theta cos theta, whereas cos 2 theta we have three formulas, 2 cos square theta minus 1 minus 2 sin square theta, and cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay children, now 1 plus cos 2 theta, this can be remembered using this formula. Only this you have to remember. From this we can write this formula. You see here, cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta minus 1. This minus 1 and moved on the other side, or you can say adding 1 on both sides. So when I move this minus 1 on the other side, I will get 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to, yes, you are right, 2 cos square theta. Similarly, here we have cos 2 theta equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So I am going to move 2 sin square on the other side, cos 2 theta on the other side. I will get 1 minus cos 2 theta. I moved cos 2 theta on the other side, 2 sin square moved on the other side. This becomes positive. So you have 2 sin square theta. So we can get two formulas from this, 1 plus cos 2 theta, 1 minus cos 2 theta, because these two formulas are required for us. The third set, sin 2 theta in terms of tan theta. Sometimes we may require in terms of tan theta. The formula is 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Cos 2 theta is 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Now tan 2 theta can be got from these two formulas. We know tan 2 theta is sin 2 theta divided by cos 2 theta. So sin theta by cos theta, in simple words, tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. So when you divide this denominator as 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus tan square theta, 1 plus tan square theta gets cancelled. So you get 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. This can also be obtained using tan A plus B formula, which is not discussed here. So when we were discussing tan A plus B, we will come to this. So again I repeat, when you divide sin 2 theta by cos 2 theta, you will get tan 2 theta. Denominators gets cancelled, so you have 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. So if you remember these two formulas, you will get the third one. Okay. Now we are going to get another set of formulas using these formulas. For this, what you have to do is, you replace 2 theta by theta and you put theta is equal to theta by 2. In this formula, you will get another set of formulas. Again I repeat, 2 theta is replaced by theta and theta is equal to, I am going to replace by theta by 2. Off angle formulas, we call it as off angle formulas. Let us start. So 2 theta, I am going to write it as theta. Yes, join with me and say 2 theta has to be written as theta by 2. So you have 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Correct. Now cos theta, I am replacing 2 theta by theta. So theta should be replaced by theta by 2. Now 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1, which is equal to, then the second formula, 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. Third one, can you try cos square theta? Yes, cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2. So we got three formulas from what you have learned here. Similarly, then go for the next one. 1 plus, from this we can write 1 plus cos theta equals 2 cos square theta by 2. These two formulas are very important. 1 minus cos theta, 2 sin square theta by 2. These formulas are very much helpful in 12th standard. So 2 theta is replaced by theta, theta is replaced by theta by 2. Can you try the other one? Yes, sin theta is equal to 2 tan theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Cos theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Then tan theta equals 2 tan theta by 2 divided by 1 minus tan square theta by 2. So this is the way how you have to remember the formulas, children. So when you are able to categorize the formulas, we can remember that very easily. We can remember whenever you want, we will get it back. That's again. We are going to discuss some more formulas. Sin 3 theta is equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Cos 3 theta, 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Tan 3 theta is equal to 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Next, sin A, this is a separate setup. This is of 3 theta formulas. Only 3 we have. Sin 3 theta, cos 3 theta and tan 3 theta. And sin A plus B. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. As I already told, Max is always a rhyming language. You should catch that rhymes. Then we will be able to remember very easily. You can remember. So can you guess if this is plus? We got a plus here. So what may be the formula for sin A minus B? Yes, please. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. You are right. So this is the formula for sin A minus B. Cos A plus B. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. What is cos A minus B? Yes, your guess is correct. Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Good. Now tan A plus B. Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Can you say the formula for tan A minus B? Tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Yes, children. Changing the sign, we will get the formula. So like this, we have plenty of easiest ways to remember the formulas. Join with me, subscribe my channel, and you will get more videos. Thank you, children.